Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to use the signal action together with the chat in Makyo. So we will use this push signal action. First, we need the signal name, which corresponds to the ID of the component that we want to send a push signal to. So let's take our chat here and right-click, debug info, and here you can find the ID. So copy this, then we'll go back and find our signal, and we will paste the ID of the chat here. Then as value, I will just say hello, insert the username, how are you? So let's test. If we open the chat and click on the button, we indeed receive hello, the name of the user, how are you? So you can see that using Signal, you can transfer some messages from one component to another one.